Let's unbox some aesthetic stuff I got for my little table for me to display El Grandissimo. And if you've not heard of El Grandissimo, stay tuned. So El Grandissimo is a 130 ounce candle that is not meant to just be displayed. It is actually meant to represent itself and actually stand out. All right, so first, this is not aesthetic. This chili garlic sauce, I thought it was the small one. This was only 5 something. I bought this about 5 years ago when I first tasted it, and I saw Amazon had it. I had it stack up on it, and I got 2 of them. When my sister sees this, she's gonna be like, I need one of those. Okay, so first, I got some cups for my coffee to make some aesthetic videos, you know. So I'm gonna show you what they look like. I was very excited. Look how cute. Sipping my drink. It's gonna be cute. Love it. Now the next box. I hope I don't break nothing. A Vogue book for me to display on the table. I'm actually gonna start collecting all these fancy books that are very bougie and aesthetic. My next one in my list is gonna be the Chanel. So gonna have my Coco Chanel on it. And I also got these for the drinks, so that way they don't mess up the little table that I got for me to display the big candle. So these, looks like one of them is missing. Amazon, count your days because one is missing. And I'm not bugging. Right? It's supposed to be a 4-piece. There's only 3. So yeah, I will be messaging them about this. Now, this is to turn off the candle, so that way I can take care of the candle. Instead of just blowing it off, you go like this and you turn off your wood wicks. And lastly, I got some books. So these books are actually fake ones for you to display it. So it comes with the New York, the London, and this Paris one that it gives me like Chanel vibes, but definitely is the Chanel book cover, but it does say Paris. So these are also going to be displayed on the table, and I'm going to show you El Grandissimo that we've been talking about. She is heavy, but this is the beautiful El Grandissimo candle that I will be letting you guys know more information about, and also giving you a code for you guys to use in the future. So yes, make sure you check out this Bursa scent candle. It is definitely worth it if you're looking for a candle that will cover, you know, large spaces like my home. I have my kitchen, my dining table, and my living room, very open spaces. This will cover every corner. And if you have pets, definitely recommend, because this will cover those scents that are actually hidden in like your sofas and all of that. So definitely check it out. I hope you enjoyed my little haul today. So if you want to check out the code for El Grandissimo, I will definitely be linking it down below so you can actually check it out.